fx is equal to given as by 4 e to the power x, 4 e to the power x, then plus 9 e to the power minus x. Okay, you have to show that its minimum value is 12. Okay, so what is the first duty? Our first duty is to find out the first derivative. So f prime x is equal to, let me know, equals to what? 4 e to the power x, right? Then I can write here minus 9 e to the power minus x, because e to the power minus x is differentiation is e to the power minus x, then d by dx minus x, d by dx minus x. Okay, so we'll get minus e to the power minus x. For this, it is here minus. So by this time, I think all of you have come to know what is the derivative of e to the power minus x. Okay, now what I used to write, can you remember, for maxima and minimum, for maximum and minimum. Okay, f first derivative of the function is equal to 0, right? So from here we get, therefore, 4 e to the power x minus 9 e to the power minus x is equal to 0. Is it okay? That means 4 e to the power x is equal to 9 e to the power minus x. Okay, which can be written 4 e to the power x is equal to 9 by e to the power x. Okay, that is 4 e to the power x whole square is equal to 9. So if we get a square root, or we can write like this, e to the power x whole square is equal to 9 by 4. From here we can write down e to the power x is equal to 3 by 2. And we all know that e to the power implies that f double prime x is equal to what? 4 e to the power x plus 9 by e to the power x, right? Now, what is the value of, let me know, what is the value of e to the power x? Can you please tell me? What is the value of e to the power x? 3 by 2?
3/2.
Now, it is 3 by 2 plus 9, 3 by 2. So, we are getting 6 plus 6 equals to what? 12. Is it okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
this is greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0.
Yes, sir.
Ji sir.
Therefore, fx is, we are getting sound, fx is minimum, fx is minimum when e to the power x is equal to 3 by 2. Is it okay?
Ji sir.
Okay. And the minimum value, write down here, the minimum value is equal to this. Again, you do this part. It is the answer now. After writing this line, you have to maintain the formalities. You go there and copy all those things. Have you got me? It was f double prime x. Now it is only fx. So the minimum value is 12. For both the cases, we have got the same value, that is 12. But here, it was 12 greater than 0 that time. Now here, we have got the value as by 12, which is the minimum value. Have you copied it? And you find the
Yes,
difference.
sir.
Here it is only fx, and for the previous part it was f double prime. F double prime. Okay, is it okay now? So we have the minimum value as 12. Now go to the next math. Question number 2 of 10. You have to find the minimum value of fx is equal to x by ln x. We have to show that the minimum value is e. We have to show that the minimum value is e. Okay. So what is our functioning is that f prime x is equal to, okay, find it, ln x whole square. Is it here ln x d by dx x minus x d by dx ln x, right? So we are getting here ln x whole square. Here only ln x is 1. Here it is 1 by x, only minus 1. Please talk to me, all of you.
G, sir.
Then write down for maximum and minimum. What is the formula? F prime x is equal to 0. F prime x equals to 0. Therefore, ln x minus 1 by ln x whole square is equal to 0. That means we are getting here ln x minus 1 equals to 0. From here we can write down ln x equals to 1, and by this time we all have come to know that ln e equals to 1. So we are getting x equals to e. Okay. So what is the value of x? As by e. Is it okay? But we are not done yet. I have seen too many students. Okay, they finished their math. They used to finish their maths here, like the previous math. No, not that. We have to maintain the formalities. We have to find the minimum value. Okay. Now you have to find f double prime x. Write down.
আচ্ছা স্যার,
Yes.
স্যার এই যে কি মিনিমাম ভ্যালু পরে যে আবার ই আসে, এটা না দেখাইলে কি পার্শিয়াল মার্কিং ও করবে না টিচাররা?
Of course you will get. Okay. Now again it is 4 power, right? This is v, so it is v square, that is power 2. Now it is power 4. Again v ln x whole square d by dx ln x minus 1 minus ln x minus 1 d by dx ln x whole square. Okay. But it is really very, very easy. Now we are getting here ln x whole to the power 4. Now it is ln x whole square d by dx. What is the meaning? d by dx ln x is 1 by x, and it is minus 1. Minus 1 means what? 0. Minus ln x minus 1. So it will be 2 ln x dot ln x, that is 1 by x. I think you have got me right. Ln x whole square. Ln x whole square. At first you must have the functioning of power. It is 2 ln x, then d by dx, again ln x. So ln x is 1 by x, so we are getting 2 ln x into 1 by x. Okay. But we got the value of x as by e. Therefore, f double prime e, I mean x equals to e, we have got x equals to e. So we are getting here e square. Okay, or we are getting x equals to e, the ln e. Ln equals to what? 1. If x equals to e, okay, I'm going to write down ln e. Ln e, x equals to e, ln e dot x equals to e 1 by e. And you see it is ln e. Ln e means 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So we are not going to write down. So it is again ln e. Ln e whole to the power 4. Okay. So we know ln e equals to 1. So it is 1, it is 1. Actually, we are getting 1 by e. Nothing else we are getting here. Now my question is 1 by e, it is greater than 0, less than 0? It is definitely greater than 0. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
So if it is greater than 0, then what we may write? Talk to me. Therefore, fx is minimum at x equals to e, and that minimum value, the minimum value is equal to, what was the given function? X by ln x. X by ln x. Put x equals to e, x equals to e, ln e equals to 1. So we are getting e. So I told you that we have to prove that minimum value of the function is e. Can you remember, please? Yes. So we have got our answer. Is it okay to all?
Ji, sir.
Now the math I am going. Okay. Now I am going to do a math which will be given in all the exams. Please pay attention. We have 2. That is, fx is equal to x plus 1 by x. Okay, we have to show that maximum value is greater than minimum value. We have to show it. Okay, it will have a maximum value which will be greater than the minimum value,
সবসময় মিনিমামের থেকে বেশি হবে
because fraction. Okay, x is, I think I've got me right. Okay, now what will we do? Therefore, f prime x is equal to what? Let me know. 1. Then is it 1 by x means what? X to the power minus 1. That means minus x minus 1 minus 1. That is minus x to the power minus 2. Right? So for maximum and minimum, write down. For maximum and minimum, we get f prime x equals to 0. Therefore, 1 minus x to the power minus 2 equals to 0. That is 1 equal to x to the power minus 2, 1 equals to 1 by x square. So we are getting x equals to plus minus 1. Okay. So we are going to write down here. We have got x equals to plus minus 1. Write down. I think you have copied it, right? It is very easy and simple, but it is the most important math. After this, you write down here. After this, you write down f double prime x equals to what? 0. That is 2x to the power minus 3. Or f double prime x is equal to 2 by x cube. Okay. When we are getting x equals to as by 1, okay, x equals to 1, then f double prime x equals to 1 is equal to 2 by 1, okay, greater than 0. And f double prime minus 1, we have got x equals to plus minus 1. F double prime minus 1 is 2 by minus 1 whole cube, that is minus 2, which is less than 0. Okay. So what we can write? We can write, therefore, fx is, write down, fx is minimum at x equals to 1. Please look at the board. Here 2 is greater than 0 for x equals to 1. Greater than 0 means minimum. So fx is minimum at x equals to 1. That's good. Now what you're getting here, the minimum value. The minimum value is equal to what? F of 1. F of 1. So it is x. This is x. So f of 1 will be 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Again, we can write here fx is maximum. Fx is maximum at x equals to minus 1. Now, just let me know, x equals to minus 1. So we are getting the maximum value there is sound x equals to minus 1, right? X equals to minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. So we are getting the maximum value here as by minus 2, the maximum value, and the minimum value is as by 2. What is meant by that? Here, write down here, 2 is greater than minus 2. We are getting 2 and minus 2. And this 2 is the maximum value. Sorry, the minimum value. And this minus 2 is here the maximum value. Therefore, the minimum value is greater than the maximum value. Proved or showed, whatever it is. We are done here. Going to the next, chapter. Okay. Integration. Chapter 10. I think by this time, you have come to know some integrations, right? Is it? And you know
Yes,
the
sir.
meaning. You know the meaning of integration. Okay. Write down, all of you. Suppose d by dx is equal to x square. I'm sorry. Suppose y equal to x square. What is di by dx? 2x. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's really good. But y equals to x square plus 5. What is di by dx? So actually, what is happening here? Definitely, these two functions are not the same, but we are getting the same derivative of the two different functions. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, how it is happening and why it is happening? This is the question. You see, differentiation and integration, they are vice versa. Okay, please, I repeat, differentiation and integration, they are vice versa. The first formula of the integration is, please pay attention. Suppose, write down number 1, this is the integration sign, and it is suppose x to the power n dx. What is the answer? Integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1, it will be added. But for differentiation, it was subtraction. And it will be divided by that n plus 1. I think you have got it, but here it will be c. Okay. Please talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
What is the condition here? X is, I'm sorry, n is not equal to minus 1. It is a condition. Please, all of you are required to know this fact that n is never minus 1. If n equals to minus 1, then we will get it undefined. Okay, by the way, is there anyone here who can differentiate this one? Who can differentiate? Suppose you are getting y equals to, suppose you are getting x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 c per constant. Now, can we find dy by dx? Talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell me.
So x to the power n.
Wait, this is the coefficient 1 by n plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Into what? N plus 1, right? X to the power, talk to me.
N.
N plus 1 minus n, 1, right? So you see, we are getting 1 will be omitted, 1 and minus 1. This will be omitted. So dy by dx, you see, all of you, dy by dx is equal to x to the power n. That means from here we can write down dy is equal to x to the power n dx. And this is that x to the power n dx. Again, you see, another thing, please pay attention here. Pay attention here is that there is no c or anything here, okay? But we are getting c here. For integration in every math, you have to maintain the formalities of writing plus c always, everywhere, okay? here plus c. But we don't have any functioning here of c. We don't have any functioning here of c. Anyway, we'll go to the next formula. It is a formula number 1. And it has also proof. Anyway, number 2 formula. Ex dx equals to what? Only x plus c. Okay. I mean the differentiation of ex and the integration of ex are same. Suppose you are getting here y equals to ex plus c. So dy by dx equals to what? Talk to me. Only e to the power x, right? So what we are getting, I mean dy equals to what? E to the power x dx. You see, this is e to the power x dx. This is e to the power x dx. Okay. Is integration is what? E to the power x plus c. And is differentiation is what? E to the power x. I think you have got me. E to the power x is integration is e to the power x. E to the power, sorry, e to the power x plus c. E to the power x, it is differentiation is e to the power x. So what is the difference? Only plus c is the difference. Nothing else is difference. Okay, I am going to the next math. Then you will come to know again what actually I am going to tell you. Can you please let me know e to the power mx dx. At first, let me know y equals to e to the power mx. Now dy by dx equals to what? Talk to me, please. Who can tell me? E to the power mx. Then differentiation of mx is what? M. So we are getting this. All of you, please. Talk to me.
G, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's good. So we are getting here dy equals to what? M E mx dx. Right? Talk to me.
G,
Okay.
sir.
But we are going to find this value. Only this. Not m. There is no m here. So at first we have to write down 1 by m. We are going to find this value. Okay. Anyway, 1 by m e to the power mx plus c. Talk to me. That is, you understand, if m is taken here, suppose m is taken here, then we are getting m e to the power mx dx. You see, m is taken here, then we are getting what? E to the power mx, okay, plus mc, because we will get the
স্যার শোনা যাচ্ছে না।
স্যার আপনার মাইক মিউট করা।
I am sorry. Suppose if m is taken LCM here, we'll get this e to the power mx plus mc. I mean, we will get this one, right? Not now. But if we don't give m here, it will be like this. Okay. Now you see, we are getting actually e to the power mx plus mc. It is coefficient. It was coefficient of x, this, and it is constant term. So when we'll go for differentiating, we'll get this for 0. Anyway, so what is the difference between integration and differentiation? In integration, it is power is added. Power is, talk to me, power is integration, power is added. Okay? It is in integration. And for differentiation, power is subtracted. Okay, added, I mean 1 is added to the power. Here 1 is subtracted from the power. In differentiation, we are getting multiplication. Suppose e to the power mx. Here this m becomes I mean it is written as in the form of multiplication. That is m e to the power mx. But in integration, it is written like this, division, not multiplication. I think you have got me.
Sir,
Please.
বুঝিনি।
Okay. The differentiation of e to the power mx is this. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
But the integration of e to the power mx is this.
Oh, হ্যাঁ।
So what is the difference? Here it is multiplied, but here it is divided. I think you have got me. And here there is a question of having plus c, but here there is no question of having plus c or minus c or anything. Okay, so the basic difference is here power is added, here power is subtracted, here coefficient is multiplied, here the coefficient is, here it is coefficient of x is m, which is divided. Okay, and one thing that is plus c, that I told you or I gave you for the first time, the example of y equals to x square and y equals to x square plus 5, we will have the same differentiation or derivative. We will have the same derivative for both the functions. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to the next 1, 2, 3, 4. You see number 4. Number 4, a to the power x dx. Okay. Now at first we'll come to know this part. Y equals to a to the power x. So dy by dx equals to what? Let me know. A to the power x, then ln a. Talk to me. That is dy is equal to a to the power x ln a dx. But here, what is the difference? You see, there is no ln a. So we have to find a to the power x dx. A to the power x dx. So what is happening here? This ln a will be divided, right? This ln a will be divided. So at first we can start writing 1 by ln a. Talk to me. Okay. Now you see it is a to the power x. So it will be a to the power x. Now it is plus c. Where do you have not got it? Talk to me, please. Perhaps you have not got it. Okay, not a matter. Okay. You see, if we multiply this, you will get. If we multiply this, we'll get a to the power x ln a dx. Okay. If we multiply this, is equal to a to the power x plus c ln a. Now it has actually no value. It is the constant term. Okay. You see, we are getting a to the power x. So if you can remember this part, then you can find its integration. Actually, we are going to find its integration, a to the power x. So ln a will be divided. For this, it is divided. Nothing else. That I told you for the last math. Okay, anyway, we are going to do some other math. I mean formula. Suppose it is the next part, number 5.
আর 3 নাম্বার ফর্মুলা কই গেল?
1, 2, 3, 4, it is 5. E to the power mx was number 3. E to the power mx was number 3. E to the power x was number 2. It is 1 by x dx. Who can tell me?
ওকে স্যার।
It's okay. Who can tell me? Perhaps you don't know, right? Perhaps.
So,
Just wait.
ln magnitude x plus c.
Okay, you are telling me seeing the book, perhaps.
নো স্যার ওই সময় একবার দিয়েছিলেন ওইটা মুখস্থ করেছিলাম তো ওই জন্য
Sir,
মনে
physics-
আছে
Okay.
করছিলাম আর কি।
Anyway, I may be wrong. That anyway, that's very good. That's very good. You see, just listen to me. Suppose ln x. Ln x. We are going to this. Okay. So dy by dx equals to what? Let me know. Dy by dx equals to what? Talk to me. Dy by dx equals to what? 1 by x?
Yes.
Very good. So from here we get dy equals to what? 1 by x dx, right? Talk to me. You see, 1 by x dx. Okay? 1 by x dx, right? So
জি
we can
স্যার
write down, it is equal to only ln x plus c. Talk to me. Is it?
জি
Sir,
স্যার
this আসলে মডুলাস দেওয়া হয় কেন?
Okay. You have been knowing it from class 9, and one day I also told you what is meant by this. What is the definition of x, or what is the condition on x? Is that x is greater than 0, right?
Yes,
Have
sir.
you got me? So what is meant by this? You know the meaning of this? It is always positive.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for this, and greater than 0 means always positive. Next, question number 6, formula number 6. Here we are getting cosine x. Cosine x dx equal to what? What should be written?
Sin
What
x
is
plus c.
what is sine x? What is sine x? Y equals to sine x. Dy by dx equals to what? Let me know. Cos x.
cos x
So it will be sine x. Talk to me. If we go for finding derivative of sine x, we will get cos x. The easiest formula. Okay. The integration of cosine x is sine x because the derivative of sine x is cosine x. I think you've got me. I repeat, the integration of cosine x is sine x because the derivative of sine x is cosine x. Talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার
হ্যাঁ
Okay.
স্যার
Number 7. Now let me know what will be sine x dx equals to what?
minus cos x plus c.
Okay, right. Minus cosine x plus c. Because the differentiation of only cosine x is minus sine x, and there is another minus, so it will be plus sine x. Okay, the differentiation of cosine x is the differentiation of only cosine x is minus sine x, and this minus total plus. Okay, that is sine x. I think you have got it. For this, I told you integration differentiation, they are just vice versa. Now sec square x dx, can you please let me know? Tan x, can you remember? The differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Talk to me.
জি স্যার
Then number 9, integration of sec x tan x equals to what? I am sorry, dx equals to what? Only sec x. Can you remember, please? The differentiation of sec x is what? Sec x tan x. So integration of sec x tan x will be sec x. Cannot remember, is differentiation is this? Talk to me, please.
জি
Yes, sir.
স্যার
Okay.
আচ্ছা স্যার, শুধু
Yes.
sec x এর ইন্টিগ্রেশন কি হবে?
Uh-huh.
শুধু
Only the sec
sec
x.
x, হ্যাঁ।
Okay. We'll come to know that. Wait. Just wait. Number 10. Integration of, I will just give her sec square x dx equals to what? Let me know. So it is tan x, it should be cot x. Talk to me.
মাইনাস cot x প্লাস c।
Just wait, just wait. It will be there. Okay. So there is negative minus sign cot x plus c. Talk to me, all of you. Because we know the differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x, right? And this minus will be plus. This is, I think you have got it. Okay, again, number 11, the integration of cosec x is equal to same thing minus, what will be? Cosec x tan, so it will be cot x plus c. All of you are required to just get all this formula. It is for you. Have you got it?
জি স্যার।
Okay, and now we are going to the exercise to do some maths so that we can finish this exercise 10.1 today, because all the maths are really very, very easy. Suppose you see question number 1, um, x cube dx. Just let me know what will be the answer. What is the formula? First formula, x to the power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c, right? So we are getting x to the power 4 by 4 plus c, and we are done. Is it hard? Number 2, same thing, 5x to the power, yes,
এখানে সব ম্যাথ কি এরকম ওয়ান লাইনারের মতন?
not like that. Okay, okay, you see 5, what should we do? 5x to the power 8 by 8 plus c. Talk to me. 7 plus 1 8, and that 8 will be written here, nothing else. Have you got me?
বুঝেছি স্যার।
Number 3, only dx by 9. What is meant by that? 1 by 9 dx, right? Now let me know what is the result. Talk to me. Dx, what should be here? Dx means what? What is meant by this? 1 dx, am I right? So whose differentiation is 1?
x।
Yes, so its answer is x. Talk to me. Because if we go for finding the derivative of x, we will get only 1. Dx means what? 1 dx, right? Dx means what? 1 dx. So it is x.
স্যার 1/9 কই যাবে?
Sorry? Oh
1/9
yes, write down x by 9. It's okay. Is it okay now? Talk to me.
জি স্যার।
Y equals to x. So dy by dx equals to what? 1. That is dy equals to what? 1 dx. Have you got me? Is it?
जी सर.
Okay. Now, if you go for finding the integration, suppose this dy 1 dx, so we'll get what? 1 dx equals to what? 1 dx is x, and there will be always c. Anyway, and it has also proof. We are going to the next math, that is, suppose some maths are given like this, 4 1 only dx. So I think you can get the answer x plus c, right? Number 2, we are getting only dt. So we'll get t plus c only, right? Very easy and simple. Now, different type of math. Number 5, x cube plus x dx. Let me know. The first one will be x to the power 4 by 4. The second part will be x to the power 2 by 2. Talk to me, please.
जी सर.
जी सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I give another math, question number 6, integration of x plus 7 into x minus 7 dx equals to what? X square minus 49 is equals to what? Let me know. X to the power 3 by 3. Then what should we write?
Minus 49x plus c.
You are absolutely right, 49x. Because its differentiation is only 49. Okay? Have you got it?
जी
Who
सर.
can tell me what is the answer?
सर 2x
Sir,
plus
2x
c.
plus c.
Okay. Then we have some maths like this: 7, 2x square minus 5x cube, 2x square minus 5x cube dx. You will do it at home. Number 8, x square plus 1 by x square whole square dx. Can you do it? Number 8. What will be our first functioning? X to the power 4 plus 2 plus x to the power minus 4. Am I right or wrong? Talk to me. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Then what will be its answer? X to the power 5 by 5 plus 2x, then plus x to the power, let me know.
Minus 3.
You're absolutely right. Minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. Why minus 3? Now you can write the second line or next line. That is x to the power 5 by 5 plus 2x minus, we can write here what? 1 by 3x cube. Okay. Next we are going to question number 9.
C add করতে হবে না?
I mean LCM.
না স্যার, প্লাস সি দিতে হবে না লাস্টে?
Oh, you are absolutely right. Plus C. Write down plus C. Okay. Then question number 9. Root cube x dx. What is meant by this? X to the power 1 by 3 dx, right? Now you see it is what? X to the power 1 by 3 plus 1. That is 4 by 3. X to the power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus C. Now we can write here 3 by 4 x to the power 4 by 3 plus C. Okay? Question number 10. 1 by 3 root x dx. This is not the cubic, this is 3 root x. Can you do it? We can write like this 1 by 3 x to the power minus half dx. I think now you can do. Okay? So we are not going to do this type of maths because you can do or you have been doing for a long time. Question number 12, I'm going to a little bit harder math. Number 12, x cube plus 1 by x plus 1 dx. We have not learned the maths of division in integration. So what will we do? You see, we can get here x square minus x plus 1. Am I right? I mean, if we put the numerator into formula, we'll get x plus 1, that will be vanished. Is a formula, right? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now you see, its integration will be what? X cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus x plus c. 1 is x is x square by 2. The interesting fact is that if we go for finding the derivative of this part, we'll get only x. Do you know? Okay. Now question number 13. Y cube, the same math, you can do it at home. We are getting y cube minus 8 by y minus 8 dy. As it is y, so it is dy. So we are getting here y minus 2 will be omitted, y square plus 2y plus 4, right? I mean, again, if I put the numerator into formula of a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. I think you can write down y cube by 3 to y square by 2 4y plus c. Now you cancel these two, you will get the answer. Okay. So you all are getting a lot of maths with fun. It is really very, very easy. Now we are going to the question number 15. Integration of x 1 plus root x dx. Can we do? Don't be afraid of. We don't know the formula of multiplication. So what we should do? We just multiply x plus x into this 1 half x to the power 3 by 2. Now I think you can do it. Number 16. Same thing. 3 by x to the power 2.5 dx. You can do it. What will you do? 3x to the power minus 2.5 dx. Now you put the into formula, then you will get the result. Okay, that's good. It is so easy for you. Going to question number 17, we are getting 5 cos x minus 9 sec square x, 5 cos x minus 9 sec square x plus 8 dx. Okay, do it. Cos x equals to what? Sin x. Write down 5 sin x. Sec square x means what? Tan x. Can you remember? 8 means what? Not only 8, it will be 8x. Talk to me. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Number 18. Sec x tan x. You are doing this math because when you will get a lot of maths on this, then for not knowing this all, you won't be able to do some maths like differentiation. Okay. What is the formula? Sec x. What is the formula of cosec square x? Let me know. What is the formula of cosec square x? Minus cot x. So plus 3 cot x. Cosec square x was minus cot x. That minus and this minus plus. Is okay? Is it okay?
G sir.
But from now onward, every math will be of, tricky. That means you have to apply some tricks. Number 19. Sin x by cos square x dx. What will you do? Will you put it into formula of division? But you don't know. Then what will you do? Can you write this? Sin x by cos x equals to tan x. Then we are left cos x in the denominator. So 1 by cos x equals to what? Sec x. Now let me know what is the formula. This formula is, so we are done. The differentiation of sec x is tan x sec x. Okay, so its integration will be only sec x. I told you vice versa. If you know this, okay, that is the differentiation of sec x is this, then you will know this. Without knowing this, it is impossible to know this. So derivative, finding derivative is the most important to do maths from integration. Okay, it is also in the form of multiplication and we'll avoid it always. So it is sec square x minus sec x tan x dx. Let me know. Sec square x means what? Tan x, and it is only sec x. So we're done. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
আচ্ছা
Now,
স্যার,
yes.
এই চ্যাপ্টারের ম্যাথ গুলো কি আসলে এরকম ছোট ছোট ম্যাথ নাকি
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ফার্স্টের দিকের ম্যাথ দেখে এখনো বড় ম্যাথ আসেনি?
You are absolutely right. Okay, now see, can you do it? Or who can do it? Just let me know. Okay, I told you that we should not be intense seeing the math. I told you to memorize this part that you will get it again and again. In integration, you will get it 5 times or 10 times. Sin square x plus cos square x, then minus 2 sin x cos x dx. Is it okay? That is, we are getting here formula of sin x minus cos x whole square root over dx. Am I right? So this is sin x minus cos x dx. Now let me know, sin x is what? Minus cosine x, and cosine x is what? Only sin x plus c, and we have got our answer. Sin x is minus cosine x, and cosine x is only sin x. Okay.
স্যার
Yes.
আর কয়টা ম্যাথ বাকি এই চ্যাপ্টারের?
Okay. I won't take more than 10 minutes. Okay. I won't take more than 10 minutes. 22 root over 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x dx. Okay, can you do it? Or who can do it? Don't be afraid of seeing the math. It is what? 2 sin square x. Is it or not? That means root 2 sin x is what? Minus. So minus root 2 cos x plus c. You have got our answer. Right? You have to know the formula. Without knowing the formula, it's really very, very impossible for any student to do any math. Number 23, you see 1 minus cosine 2x by dx. Not so hard. What is the formula? 2 sin square x, 2 cos square x. You have to know the formula, right? So we are getting, let me know, 10 square x dx. Now, my dear students, it is your turn to do this math. Perhaps some of you told me, Shandit, what he would do if it is given only sec x. Okay? Or only. Now, can you please tell me now? Okay, we don't know, but we have to know. What is the formula of 10 square x? Let me know. It is sec square x minus 1, right?
জি স্যার।
Now, sec square x means what? 10x. 1 is x. Talk to me.
জি স্যার।
Because the differentiation of 10x or derivative of 10x is sec square x. 1 means x, and this is the constant. This type of math you will get in integration. Then we are getting question number 24. cot square x dx. We don't have any formula, right? But we can write it cosec square x minus 1 dx, right? Can you write? Now, what is the formula of cosec square x? Let me know. Suppose we don't know. Very good. The differentiation of cot x is cosec square x, but there is negative. Okay, there is negative. So cosec square x, suppose this negative sign, now it is here. Okay, that means cosec square x equals to minus cot x. Talk to me, please. I repeat, what we know the differentiation of cot x, talk to me, is equal to what? Minus cosec square x, we know it. But here only cosec square x. Very good. You forget this minus. You give minus here. So what is the differentiation of cosec square x now? Sorry, integration will be minus cot x. I think you have got it right.
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার।
Next math, number 25. 1 by 1 plus cos 2x. Who can do it? You take it very easily. 1 plus cos 2x means what? 2 cos square x. Right? It is half sec square x. Sec square x means what? Tan x. I think you have got it right. Okay. Question number 26. There is only negative here. I am not going to do this math. Number 27. Cos square x by 2. Who can do it? We don't know, right? Because we have not got any formula of this. So you see, we can write this. 2 cos square x by 2. Now, what is the formula of 2 cos square x by 2? Who can tell me? 1 plus, right? Its formula is this. Okay, perhaps you have forgot trigonometry. Not a matter. So we are getting half x plus half sin x, then plus c. Okay.
তাহলে লাস্ট লাইন মুছবেন না।
Oh my God. Number 28.
আমি
You
বলে
should,
দিচ্ছি হাফ এক্স প্লাস হাফ সাইন এক্স প্লাস সি।
থ্যাঙ্কস।
I was afraid of. Okay.
কাকে
Okay.
ভয় পাচ্ছিলেন স্যার?
That I don't know. Anyway, you see, who just told me not to rub. Anyway, can you please let me know? It is sin x, sorry, dx here. It is sin x plus cosine x. Who can tell me what will be its result? 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x. It will be only sin x. You see? Are you getting me or not? I have skipped three or 4 lines. I have
স্যার
skipped.
এক্সাম এরকম করলে টিচাররা মানবে তো?
No. I told you in the previous math it was 1 minus sin 2x. There I showed you. It is sin square plus cos square x plus minus 2 sin x cos x. Can you remember, please? And I told you that it would be 5 or 10 times. Okay. So it will be sin square x plus cos square x, and it is 2 sin x cos x. Will I show it again? And I know that you will
স্যার
tell no.
লাগবে না।
স্যার
That-
লাগবে না স্যার।
Okay. So we are getting here only dx. This will be omitted. 1 dx, that is only x. Is it to all?
জি স্যার।
Only one math is left. That was given in the maximum boards exam. Question number 29. Okay. Sec square x, cosec square x. Who can do it? Sec square x, cosec square x, dx. Who can do it? Okay. Just let me know. What will you do? Can you do it? What is the formula of sec square x? Talk to me. 1 plus tan square x and cosec square x, 1 plus cot square x, right? And we don't have any other rule to do this math because it is in the form of multiplication and we don't know that. So that is, we are getting here 1 plus cot square x plus tan square x plus 1. We know that tan x cot x equals to 1 is a square also will be 1. Okay. So this and this will make 1. Because cot x is 1 by tan x, tan will be omitted. So actually what you are getting here, it is 2 plus tan square x plus cot square x. This is the most important math, dx. Okay. Now can you do it? Or is it possible by us to do? Do you know this one? Wait, just wait. Do you know the integration of tan square x? We don't know. Do you know the integration of cot square x? We don't know. So I told you that we won't be afraid of seeing the math. It is 2. What is tan square x? Sec square x minus 1. What is cot square x? Cosec square x minus 1. You see, we are going to back or to the back, but there is multiplication here. They are additive. Okay. Anyway, we are getting minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, and plus 2 omitted, and we are left with sec square x minus plus cosec square x dx. Now let me know sec square x means what? Tan x. And what is cosec square x? Minus cot x plus c. We have got our answer. Okay. Everybody, we are done for the day today. Thank you very much for joining me.
স্যার কথা ছিল।